Hey, this is your opportunity to get original EaseUS software at an affordable price. We are an official reseller which allows us to offer this product with minimal profit while ensuring authenticity and reliability. Many people hesitate to purchase from us because they are unsure whether we are truly an official reseller. In this video, I will log into our reseller panel and demonstrate it live so you can have complete confidence in our legitimacy. For security reason, I have already hidden sensitive information and pricing details in the reseller dashboard using a Chrome extension. These data are confidential and are not permitted to be shown publicly. Here you can see the reseller panel login page. This is the URL. The email field are hidden for privacy. Now I am clicking on the login button. As you can see, we are successfully logging into the reseller panel. If I scroll down, you will able to view all the product one by one. However, the product price are not visible as I have already hidden them for security purpose. So when you purchase software from us, you can be assured that you are getting 100% original product. No doubt, no risk. Our WhatsApp number is provided in the video description. Feel free to message us if you have any question or any assistance. Thank you very much for watching this video.